whereas we cannot rest, however, until our mothers, sisters, daughters secure their rightful place as full and equal partners in a just, peaceful, and civil society at home and abroad. And whereas the Center for Women's Advancement, Inc. serves Somali women and girls in the United States and the Horn of Africa, offering the tools needed to secure prosperous lives and healthy relationships at all levels of society. And whereas we observe International Women's Day to recognize the social, economic, and political barriers that have been overcome, address those that persist, and continue to work toward the day when women's equality has been realized, fully realized. Be it resolved by this council of the City of Columbus, and this council celebrates the vital role that women have played throughout the history and remains fully committed to a world in which women's equality is no longer a goal, but a reality, and does hereby declare March 8th of 2013 to be the International Women's Day in Columbus. I move for passage.
Greg Klein, Miller Mills, Payne Tyson, President Henry.
Thank you. Kendra.
Thank you. Council President Ginther, Council Members Tyson, Bailey, Mills, Miller, Crane, and Gray. I'm glad to be here. Every 8 March, millions of people celebrate International Women's Day around the world. But in Columbus, our city, this day passed for many years unnoticed until I decided to take it into my own hands last year and organize a successful event at the Ohio State House, because I waited so many years. I am proud of everyone who supported the Center for Somali Women's Advancement in this effort. We have come a long way in closing the gap, but the job of attaining equal human rights for women across the globe is not finished. We still live in a world where a third of women will experience violence against them at some point in their lives, where women account for 70% of the world's poor, and where women hold only 19% of the world's elected seats. Actually, in Columbus City Council, it's actually 43%. I am therefore honored to invite all members of the Columbus City Council to join us in this year's International Women's Day celebration on March 8, 2013, 3 p.m. at Ohio State House. We hope that you all be joining us and millions of others as we celebrate the role of women in society, advocate for further progress, and raise our voices in solidarity with women all over the world. I would like to appreciate the support, encouragement, and recognition for this important occasion by the President and all members of Columbus City Council. I am particularly grateful for the Honorable Councilwoman Tyson for introducing this resolution, which marks a milestone in our city. I am honored to accept this historic resolution on behalf of all Columbus women, and I look forward to working with all of you in making the International Women's Day a birthday for all to remember. Thank you.
Thank you, Kadra. You want to introduce your guest?
My guest is my friend, community member, Marion Getty, who is renowned advocacy for women.